All right, folks, we're having fun with the toys here. Installing the 25 millimeters wheel spacer for the Volkswagen Jetta. So far it's looking nice. Remember, always go with the specs for the bolt torque. There you go, don't fuck around with it. Let's check the other side. I haven't installed on this one yet, so you see how it looks flush. Then this one is next, the rear wheels. So yeah, keep it clean. All right, kiddos. Here we're gonna install the 25 millimeters wheel spacers in this Volkswagen Jetta. I already did the front, looks nice. I'm gonna do the last rear wheel, and this is all the tool you need. The most important, torque wrench for the wheel lock bolts, which is about 88 to 104 foot-pounds. I'm gonna leave it on 90. So yeah. All right, kiddos. Here we have it, 25 millimeters wheel spacer. Easy. Just put the tire in, tighten the bolts. This is how it looks in the rear. Nice, 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 nice. Look at this space. Yeah.